Hey guys, it's Ben with Performance Kings Honda, and today we're going to go over batteries. In general, most car batteries only last 3 to 5 years depending on your battery and your car. Extreme temperatures are especially hard on your car's vehicle. Even if you protect it during the highs of summer and lows of winter, it'll wear out at some point. We recommend that you start checking on your car's battery at least at the 3-year mark. If you're not sure when you got it replaced last, or you're just not sure about the condition of your car's battery, here's some signs that you want to check or replace it. Some signs that you'll want to check or replace your battery include your vehicle starting slowly, dim lights or electrical issues, a sulfur odor coming from under the hood, check engine light or check battery light is on, deformed battery case, or just simply old age of your battery. So how do you check your battery? Well, the easiest way is to take it to us at Performance Kings Honda and we'll do it for free. But if you want to do it yourself, you're going to want one of these. It's a multimeter. So I actually have a Honda Pilot, and the first thing that you want to do is make sure that your terminals are nice and clean so that your car can get good connection to the battery. This is the positive terminal, and on the Honda Pilot, the negative terminal is actually right under here at this plastic. Another thing that you want to test is that your terminals are nice and snug. Any loose connection could result in your battery not functioning properly. So go ahead and turn your multimeter on to V for volts. Make sure it can read at least 12 volts. This one has a max of 1000, so we should be good. And now take your two ends. Red goes to positive, black goes to negative. Now that my wires are connected to the terminals, we can go ahead and check the multimeter, and it's reading 12.4 volts. If you have a properly working battery, your battery should be between 12 and 12.6 volts. If your battery is below 12 volts, you know that it doesn't have enough power to start. This doesn't exactly mean that your battery is the problem though. It could be an alternator that's not charging your battery up enough. If your battery is completely dead, find another car or a car charger that can charge your battery up enough to be able to start. Once your car is able to start, go ahead and start it up. And now, if you think your alternator is the problem, go ahead and go check. And if your battery is now around 14 volts, you know that your alternator is working properly too. Well, hopefully that's helped you self-diagnose the problem. Again, if you don't have a multimeter laying around, or you're just not sure you'll do it right yourself, bring it in to Performance Kings Honda and we'll check it out for you. We have genuine Honda batteries that will work with your Honda perfectly, all with great pricing. Can't wait to see you guys come in.